another video, and I got some new lug nuts in. So, and then this tire back here, it's got a slow leak. I just noticed it a couple days ago, because whenever you get new tires put on, you need to double check the tire pressure every once in a while. I'm gonna have to check the tire pressure, at G-pop too, which the tires don't look low, but I want to know where they sitting at, because I ain't trying to have no tires deep beating or nothing like that. So I am going to Downtown Tire Pros. I believe they're the only people in town that can mount like a 30-inch rim or something like that. But I don't have 30s. I don't have them. But we finna go over here. But anyway, if y'all clicked on this video, man, do me a favor, man. Hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, and leave a comment. Let me know you're here. And yeah, I'll be back once I get everything buttoned up, gang. Ooh, she going to the back. Ooh. Yeah, we got them young spikes on there. I like them. Yeah, I sure do. Yeah, I like them. And I had a nail in my tire. But yeah, we get ready to go to the doggone car wash, and I'm getting ready to wash this thing up. Yeah. Yeah. I'm getting ready to put these doggone speakers in this truck today. Yep. These speakers right here. Y'all know I've already ordered. I ordered these a long time ago. But that speaker right there, it don't hardly doggone work. I might put that head unit in too. That double din that I got. It just depends on how I feel. I feel pretty good today, man. It is 60. It is like 66 degrees. It's supposed to be 70 tomorrow. Y'all see your boy in the... I don't like calling them wife beaters because I don't beat my wife, you know what I'm saying? Anyway, in the white A shirt. I think that's what it's called. It's called an A shirt, yeah. But anyway, I'm getting ready to go eat me some lobster real quick. Yeah. As soon as I eat that doggone lobster, I'm gonna come back and we're gonna put them doggone speakers in right there. Yeah. Because those speakers are busted and dusted and crusty, busty, dusty. Yeah. So this kind of spilled over into the next day, because yesterday after I ate, I got lazy. I ain't even gonna lie. And I just sat down and I was watching TV. Which I don't do much of that. I don't do much watching TV. I just watch the people that I'm subscribed to. You know what I'm saying? So I watch them, and then I normally turn in. But that speaker right there, it was pretty easy to get to. You know, you just pull them clips out, because I didn't have to take that whole thing off. So I just pulled it out. That way I could get to the screws. And this side right here was more of a pain, because I had to take the screw out right here. Whoops. I had to take the screw out right here, and then you got to take the screws out in the armrest down there. I don't know if y'all can see them screws. Take the screws out and the armrest right there. Pull the armrest from here, and then you got this screw and then this screw over here on this side. So that's all I'm finna take out. I was finna take the seat belt off, but as you can see, I got enough room to get back there. So I'm just gonna pull that this way. Hope it don't break. But I'm finna just pull this way, and I can get my drill in there. To get that speaker out, and I'm finna replace that speaker. So that's what's going on. And I'm still in a toss-up of whether I'm gonna put this doggone double din in there. That double din right there. And y'all go watch me put this doggone the speaker in. Right, guys, I got my radio out. I got it out, and y'all know I ordered this. I ordered this right here from Crutchfield, and I forget how much it costs. I don't think it was much. I think it was like maybe 15, 20 bucks or something like that. But I ordered this right here from Crutchfield, and I believe that's the part number. But anyway, it's for the double din. Now I know I'm gonna have to cut. I think I'm gonna have to cut that piece right there. I think I'm gonna have to cut or trim that. I think I'm gonna have to cut it. I think. But it gives you a piece. It gives you a piece inside this kit right here that goes over that. So that's what I'm gonna get doing. But I'm gonna I had to run to the parts store to get butt connectors for the harness, because I already have a harness that I bought for that radio right there. But that one is just old and out of date, so I'm gonna get that in there. This ain't really gonna be no how-to, you know what I'm saying? Because I don't want y'all burning y'all doggone truck down and blaming me. So whenever I get everything hooked up and I'll probably do some sped up footage of me cutting the dash over there. Yeah. All right. Got that mug in there. Got it in there. I had to keep taking the dash in and out, in and out, in and out to get the right depth. And then I popped the doggone radio fuse, so I had to change the radio fuse. But yeah, I like the way it looked. It looked cleaner than that old school joint that I got right there. But yeah, she in there. But I'm gonna go do a little unboxing for you guys, and I may tackle that assignment today, the little unboxing. So let's get right into it. All right, let's unbox our package. Yeah, let's see what we got in here. Unbox our package. I probably won't get to this right here today, but we're gonna check them out. We're gonna check them out and see what it is. I should have oh man, look, they put me some gloves in there. That's all right. It's just right here. Uh-oh, I ripped it. At least they put some instructions on some cheap paper. First show, level kit instructions. So these is 2.5 inch. These is 2.5 inch blocks for the front. Cause I think it'll fix my, I think it'll fix the way that my wheels are kind of cocked a little bit. So we're gonna try them out. If it don't, I'll take them off. They sent me some bolts too. Nylock nuts, washers, and these are 2.5 inch. I think they're aluminum, powder coated aluminum. But we're gonna check them out. I don't know if I'm gonna get to it today. I might not even get to it in this video right here because I'm getting ready to wash G-Pop. Yeah, I'm getting ready to wash the G-Pop bucket wash. And I'll probably save these right here for later. And I ordered these right here off of Amazon, if y'all can see that. I ordered these right here off Amazon, so it ain't nothing special. I don't even know the brand of it, but What I do know is I'm going to be installing these for sure. See right there how it goes. They go up under the shock. Yeah. So probably not gonna be installing those today. I was gonna do it, but I got tied up doing other things. I had to put a serpentine belt on a 2010 Nissan Versa. So that's what I did. But anyway, for those of y'all just here watching this video, or if you clicked on this video, please do me a favor. Hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell, turn on all post notifications. That way you're notified when I drop another video. This week right here been slow for me because I just been tied up with life. But I still been getting little giblets here and there. So I'm getting ready to wash G-Pop real quick, man. So I'm gonna end this video of me washing G-Pop.